Welcome to part 8 of the series. It's currently 8:34 a.m. and the Coca-Cola company is about to bring in the fridges right now. You guys can go ahead and see that. Yeah, the fridges are here, finally. But yeah, today we're definitely gonna start doing the floors. Say what's up to the vlog, y'all. What's going on?
What's up? I saw Julius Erving is releasing a book.
This is it for part 8. We got about 3/4 of the floor done. Nice, nice. This is it for today. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. We're gonna finish the rest of the floor and maybe start staining and putting some epoxy or a clear coat. Alright?